Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As you can see, continuing to trickle down here with Bitcoin chopping around. You know what that means when Bitcoin chops around. It doesn't even drop that much, but the rest of the market plays the price. If you look across the market, you can see we're getting chopped up here by Bitcoin's price action, altcoins retracing, and obviously we came up and hit a new all-time high for altcoins up here, probably due for a little bit of a pullback down into this area here before bouncing. Right now, as you can see, just looking like we're probably going to have more of a pullback, and as a result, Verasity just continuing to trickle down to the bottom of this range again. As you can see, we have been coming down to the bottom of this range multiple times during this consolidation. Apart from this deviation to the high here, really we've been testing the high and the low of this range continuously. Every time we get up to that 1/5 of a cent level here, or we get down towards that 1/10 of a cent level down here at 0.001, we keep bouncing at this level, don't we? You can see coming down, testing some levels of liquidity here for Verasity down below these lows. And right now, you can see basically not much else going on apart from that we are just continually getting chopped up by Bitcoin. Bitcoin keeps going up and down like this. Last week we got it arranged to break out, and then you can see every time that we go up and down like this and look even remotely bearish, all of the altcoins just start to trickle to the downside, as you can see. All across the market, this is nothing to do with Verasity specifically. You can see the altcoin basket mostly just leading us down here. Big drop, chop, big drop, chop, and if we keep doing that, then basically you just get all of your altcoins getting chopped up. Verasity here, no exception to that at all. You can see basically just retracing and looking bearish until we see Bitcoin stop messing around with the market. Obviously, if Bitcoin keeps dropping, we will see Verasity keep on dropping most likely. You can see we have been trickling to the downside here for a good while, but in my opinion, really not that much liquidity below to target at this point, and we're probably much more likely to be looking like we're going to be coming down to this level again and bouncing back up. So many good liquidity targets above, and the amount of times that we swept this low for Verasity, in my opinion, much more likely that we come down into this area here and bounce, to be honest. Because recently, even if you look, Bitcoin has been chopping around quite a lot here, but I think overall Verasity really hasn't dropped that much at all. Ever since March, we've basically just been going sideways, whereas Bitcoin here has done its best to chop the rest of the space up. You can see quite a few cryptos here just going sideways at the minute, trying to figure out where we're going next. But until we see anything remotely looking like Bitcoin not messing with the markets, we're just going to keep chopping around until we see altcoin season and the altcoin basket, and Ethereum particularly, breaking to the upside. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.